This is one of the side pieces of the carcass in the document chest. So I don't know which is top and which is bottom. This is the top of the side and this is the bottom. They're all dovetailed into the top piece and the bottom piece. But these grooves, 1/4-inch grooves, are for the drawer blades. Now I have a little illustration here of the drawer blades. There are four drawers in each side, and these drawer blades end up with this little pointed V-cut at the front face that intersects with this little thumbnail on the front. So this is the front, and I've made these V's about 3/4 of an inch long. So I've got 3 cuts here to make, V cuts, and the way I'm doing that is to first, I'll just do this one in the middle maybe, and I have a little tiny saw here that I can saw down the dado is 1/4 inch deep. No, 1/8 inch deep. It's 1/4. The drawer blade is 1/4 inch wide. So this is deep. This V cut has to go down 1/8, which comes to just to the end of this roundover, this thumbnail roundover. I didn't get that in the center very well, but I can compensate for that, I think. And then I've got a little carving tool here, it's number 1, that I can just come in here. Now this should be a 45-degree angle. Now you can also come in with a chisel, take little shavings down to the middle, and then I've got a little knife cut there that I can stick the chisel in and come right out to the end there. I can't do that from this direction and I'll block the video, but I can do that side from the front with this carving tool. I gotta go down 1/8 of an inch getting close. So it's only the front 3/4 of an inch of that drawer blade that has this V shape. The rest is just a fits into this, just this square dado. And that's about it. I've got 2 more here to do.